In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up form with Mailerlite. We'll walk through creating a polished pop-up form from start to finish so you can start collecting subscribers with confidence. First, head to your Mailerlite dashboard in your browser. From the main navigation, open the Form section. This is your hub for building all kinds of lead capture assets. Click the Create Form button to begin a new form. You'll be prompted to give your form a name. Pick something clear and descriptive, like the campaign or page this form will live on. Good naming makes it easier to keep everything organized later, especially if you manage multiple forms. Next, select the type of form you want. For this walkthrough, choose the pop-up option. Pop-ups are great for drawing attention and converting visitors quickly, particularly when paired with a strong headline and a compelling offer. After selecting pop-up, click Save and continue to move forward. You'll now choose the subscriber groups that new signups will be added to. Groups help you keep your audience segmented so you can send more relevant messages later. Select the group or groups that match your campaign goals, then click Continue to confirm your choice. On the template screen, pick the event signup template. It's a clean, versatile starting point that works well beyond events thanks to its clear layout and call to action. Click Choose to load it in the editor. You're now in the content editor. This is where the form comes to life. Update the headline to clearly communicate the value of subscribing, adjust the body text to set expectations, and edit the button label to be action-oriented, like Get Updates or Join Now. Keep the number of fields minimal. Asking only for an email or email plus first name typically leads to higher conversions. Customize the colors, fonts, and imagery to match your brand so the pop-up feels consistent with your site. Small tweaks to spacing and contrast can make a big difference in readability and impact. Switch to the success view to control what people see right after they subscribe. This is a great place to say thank you, confirm what they can expect next, and provide any immediate instructions if relevant, such as checking their inbox. Customize the copy and design here to maintain the same friendly tone and branding as your main pop-up. When everything looks good, click Done Editing to save your work. You've created a Mailerlite pop-up sign-up form, assigned it to the right group, applied a ready-made template, tailored the content and design, and polished the success message, all set for your next campaign.